So now we come to economic activities. These are categorized into three main types. First one is primary activity, second secondary activities, and third the tertiary activities. Let's start with these. The first one, the primary activities. The economic activities which are in which we directly extract the natural resources and use them. The extraction of natural resources are included in primary activities. The activities include the activities related to agriculture, poultry farming, fishing, horticulture, animal husbandry, mining, quarrying. These all are primary activities. So next one, we come to secondary activities. Now in primary activities we extracted the natural resources. Now we manufacture and we refine those and refine and construct those extracted resources into usable form, into something that is usable. That is the industrial sector. The industries, manufacturing and quarrying come under the secondary sector. In this sector the natural resources are properly modified and are converted into usable items. This is secondary activity. The third one are the tertiary activities. Now, tertiary activities include the service occupations, the services, the healthcare, the education, the transportation, the communication, banking. These all services are included in the tertiary activities. Next, we come to market activities. Market activities are those activities when some product or service is produced to be sold in the market. Now, these activities are considered as a part of GDP. GDP के अंदर included होती हैं these activities, and these are the activities that are used for profit earning, and जो हम country की GDP में और economic growth में include करते हैं, जिनको जिससे person को salary मिलती है या फिर वो profit earn करते हैं. These are market activities. Now here we can see the picture of vendors selling vegetables for earning profit. So next we come to non-market activities. Now non-market activities are those activities where some product or service is produced for either for self consumption, खुद कंज्यूम करने के लिए, या फिर अपनी फैमिली की नीड्स को सेटिस्फाई करने के लिए. वो नॉन मार्केट एक्टिविटीज़ है. Like as you can see, maybe in the first one, the farmer is producing the products, maybe the wheat or the grains, just sufficient for their own family to meet his family needs. So that is a non-market activity. Similarly, the work of a housewife or the caregiver, जिसकी productivity और need बहुत ज़्यादा है in the household, but उसके लिए उसको कोई money नहीं मिल रही, कोई wage नहीं मिल रही, and no profit. So that's why it is a non-market activity. And in activities से कोई भी earning नहीं होती, and these are not included in the GDP of the country. Through this slide, we can see on the left side there is a farmer, and you can see less income. He's having less income because you can see he's using the primitive tools for farming, and also he seems to be unskilled, so less income. Whereas the other person seems to be well educated, he is carrying files and is office going, so he is earning more income. And same is the case with the women on the right side.